Hello, welcome to math problem. My name is Budi. Now we are talking about the gradient, especially for year 8. Gradient, as we know that gradient is y out of x. If we have this x and y, so there is a line here. The gradient is just, you put is a right angle. This one out of this one. So if this one is 3 and this one is 5, so the gradient should be 3 out of 5. That's an easy one, right? Okay. If there is a line like this and this, all you have to do is, if you from the left to the right this goes up, the gradient must be positive. If from the left to the right you go down, the gradient must be negative. Okay. Now, how about if there is two lines? For instance, find the equations that passing 2.3 and 3.7, for instance. Okay, to find the gradient, you have to do the formula 1.y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. We just, this is x2, this is y2, x1, this is y1. All you have to do, you subtract y2 and y1. So 7 minus 3 out of x2 minus x1, 3 minus 2. So the gradient is 4. Okay. Okay. Now, how about if, what is the equations if the gradient is 2 and y-intercept is 3. Sorry, it's 3. To find this one, you put it the formula as you have known already. Y equals mx plus c, which is m is a gradient and c is a y-intercept. Okay. Now, just put it, well, as we have here, see that the gradient is 2, so put it 2 here. Y-intercept is 3, you put it here 3. And y and x is still following the formula. So equation will be y equals 2x plus 3. Okay, another result. Let me erase this one first. Okay, another one. How about, what is the equations if the line passing 2.3 and 4.8, for instance? Okay, all you have to do is follow the formula first. Yeah. And then trying to find the gradient. The gradient, as we know that y2 minus y1 for x2 minus x1 should be 5 out of 2. That's the gradient. Put it here. to the formula. Sorry, x plus c. This is the first step. The second step, you have to find the c. How you find the c? Pick up one point, whether it's 2.3 or 4.8, it's up to you. Okay, put it 4.8 for instance. Okay, this is y and this is x. Put it here as a y as 8 and x, put it in x plus c. Just cross it. 8 equals 10 plus c. So c equals 8 minus 10 minus 2. Then you can find the equations. Y equals, as we have found the formula, you just put it m first. Where is m? Oh, this one. This is m, right? We have found it before. 5 out of 2 x plus c. Where is c? Ah, this one. It's minus 2. Or you just erase this one. So the answer is this one. Okay. Okay. How about how about this one? How you can find the equations that passing 2.5 and the line parallel to y equals 2x plus 4, for instance. Okay, all you have to do is, because this line is parallel means like this. This is parallel. So parallel, if there is a line like this, for instance, y equals 2x plus 3, so this one should be the same gradient. It's also 2. So the parallel line have the same gradient. The parallel line have the same gradient. So all you have to do is, this point have a gradient. Look, this is the gradient, right? It's 2. Okay, then all you have to do right now is like the first step, mx plus c. So y is 5, put it here 5, m2, x is 2, so find the c. Oops, yep. So 5 equals 4 plus c, c is 1. Then write the equations. The m is 2, right? This is 2x. The c is 1. That's the equations. Okay? Now, how about if the line have 2 lines, that one passing, find the equations that passing 2.4, but this line is perpendicular to y equals 2x plus 3, for instance. Okay, perpendicular is like this. If there is a line like this, perpendicular it should be like this. So those 2 lines makes 90 degrees. That we call it. What is the formula to find the gradient if there is a perpendicular? If this line, for instance this line, the gradient is, for instance, 3, so the perpendicular line how to find it is just upside down 3. 3, the upside down is 1 point after 1 out of 3. Then if this plus, you put it negative. So negative 1.3. How about if the gradient is minus 2 out of 3? So the gradient perpendicular will be upside down the numbers. If this minus, it should be plus. If this plus, is minus. So the gradient is 1, is 3.2. So we back to the examples that equation passing 2.3 perpendicular y to y equals 2x plus 3. The gradient, as we know, that the gradient is 2. Because it's perpendicular, shall be upside down, and this is positive, so it will be negative. That's the gradient. Okay? Then we put it here, the basic formula, as we know, to find the c. Put it y as a 4. Gradient is minus c to 1 out of 2. X is equal to plus c. Okay, to find the c. 4 equals minus 1 plus c. So c equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So the equations will be y mx plus c. Y m is minus half of x. The c is 5. So this is the answers. Okay. That's all. Thank you. Bye.